Connecting Flights is my poem, and I'm Larry Rue. This poem is the second in a collection called Pre-Owned Odyssey and Rented Rooms. It describes a flight home to Tucson where the traveler has a chance to visit his elderly father. I'd like to think it can stand as a sign of my overall ambitions and demonstrate how works of art can turn the world inside out and make us feel as though we share a heartfelt way of seeing with other individuals. I'd like to think that. Connecting Flights. Twisted neon tubes illuminate arcades that span Midway's moving walkways. I'm flying home to see my father and join a group of teachers to discuss biblical poetry. At the Best Western, I share a room with Sharif, a Tucson native whose Sufi wit inspires a second look at God's almighty bipolarity before we theorize about divine machinery and traffic management of transcendental flight for passengers like us between stops halfway home. No chariot of fire here gives us a lift. My father soon will fall like fruit too ripe with time, oblivious the way his mother took her leave in loneliness, apart, her family and friends unrecognizable. Aglow and etched in bright green neon tubes like those at Midway Terminal, a cactus signifies the Saguaro drugstore's open. I often pass it, heading east on Grant. In front of me, the Catalinas call to mind a waterfall that my father painted one rainy day that made him keep indoors. For a second, the world looks inside out and freshly rinsed, as though the mountains stay with us, however far away we go.